I travel from Taiwan, Taipei.
From Madrid.
Wood from the office in Poland.
Well, I live here in Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
I'm based in Amsterdam.
I travel from Tokyo, Japan.
Yesterday, I learned that most of the company's revenue comes from maps and traffic.
You know, I think I learned that this is such a strong community and that we all know each other. Everybody knew my name, even though we've seen each other for the first time.
Rooftop bar.
Definitely the rooftop. The rooftop, luminaire, hilltop. It was really a beautiful view. It was a great sunset.
Making new friends and understanding how people think and how we can all contribute towards mapmaking.
Inclusion.
Collaboration.
Collaboration.
Teamwork.
Diverse.
Exciting.
Fun.
Fun.